Two missing fishermen from Unity Valley in Montego Bay, St. James, have still not been found since going missing on Tuesday. Their family and friends say they are baffled after a team of marine police they met while searching for the men told them the men were spotted and that they would ensure help would reach them. Kirk Wright reports.
Friends of the missing fishermen say they refuse to let up on the search for their colleagues who they have not seen since Tuesday. The two missing fishermen are among several others who left Unity Hall in Montego Bay, St. James about 5 o'clock Tuesday morning to go fishing. While searching for a good fishing spot, a boat with 3 fishermen decided to return to base because they were running low on fuel. The men, who are now missing, decided they would continue scouring the seas for fish. But later that day, John Simmons, the captain of the boat that returned to shore, says he became concerned after hours of not hearing from the 2 men he left at sea.
After that, we came in the evening. I got a call that he didn't came in. So I got worried and I came down because normally he would be in by even 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. And my cousin knows how ocean run. He knows how to come in because even he pointed me the way to come in. So I'm not sure what happened.
Mr. Simmons say when other fishermen went to sea on Wednesday in search of the men, they were greeted by marine police who passed on some encouraging news and caused them to call off their search.
And then they told us that we shouldn't go, we should turn back and come in because a lot of guys gassed up from April, Bay and White House and down here to trying to go out there to have a search, and they turned us back. They told us that they pick up the boat 100 miles away from Cayman Island. So we were saying that probably they're going to be in their waters and they will be shored on Cayman Island, and now we haven't seen them.
But after making checks and not hearing anything more from the marine police, the fishermen say they have become suspicious.
I'm trying to wonder why that guy told us that he picked them up there and nobody hasn't went there to pick them up and bring them back. So we are here just wondering why.
When TVJ News checked with the commander of the Marine Police, she told us the men were reported missing, but that she only learned from our call that there were reports that the men were spotted in Cayman waters. She says that will be investigated. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.